Before talking about it, let's know 3 people. Pamela is at the mall and wants to get more information about the pair of sneakers she needs to buy. Juliana is in a Japanese restaurant. She loved it and wants to recommend it. George is on the way back home. He needs to buy a heart rate monitor as he's going to start exercising this weekend. They are on the way. They want to get or share information. They are interconnected in some level through social networking. George knows someone who knows Pamela, who knows someone who knows Juliana. A mobile solution that allows people to search, browse and publish reviews about products and services using social networking and geolocation to enrich information. Every product or service has a profile where everybody can add reviews, with a qualitative value, good, average, bad, impartial. Users can also know who had or wish to about the product or service. Practically, this means users can contact people at the social network who have been to a specific restaurant or who wish to buy a specific MP3 player, for example. Users can make use of the features available at the mobile, video, photos and text. You can also know who is the author of each post, tracking the level of proximity in social network. Back to Pamela, Juliana and George, let's see how they could use it. In the first case, the user is in a store, checking products, and would like to get more information about them. After she enters her password, the welcome screen shows feeds from her contacts. She presses the search button and types in the product name. At the product profile screen, there is a graphic that represents the proportion of reviews published. From this screen, all information available about the product is accessible through the info menu. She goes to all posts and see the list with the most recent at top. Posts can also be filtered by keywords at tag cloud mode. Or she can go to hit posts that are the posts from the closest contacts in her social network. In the second case, the user wishes to make a comment about the service. From the welcome screen, she goes to search and chooses the Identify this location button that finds the profile associated using GPS. At menu info, she presses Comment Here button. Here she can make use of the device features, such video, picture and text, to enrich the comment. She can also choose a qualitative rating, green, yellow, red or gray, and choose the option Tell a friend to notify contacts. The last example shows a user that wishes to buy a product in a certain area using GPS. Let's consider he is searching for an item that is already in his list, a heart rate monitor. Choosing the option Find it on map, he can see the closest stores that sell the product.